All right, I'm going through a series of mistakes students make when they build economic models. And the 7th mistake is that the students have a benefit or cost in their model that is unresponsive to their choice variable. Now, this doesn't necessarily mean that that benefit or cost needs to be an exogenous variable. So this is the most common place I see this. Students are modeling what percent of their trash do they recycle, and their benefit is the benefit to the environment, which is a function of recycling. The cost is effort cost. Now, the problem here, of course, is that this elasticity is so small. Like, environment doesn't really respond to your personal recycling. It responds to the collective societal level of recycling, but it does not respond to your recycling. And this is the drop in the bucket problem, and you can represent this using calculus in the following way. So the elasticity of environmental quality with respect to your personal recycling is about equal to 0. It's not exactly equal to 0, but it's very, very close. And so what that means is the benefit here is not really a real benefit. Like, you need some other reason that people recycle, and that could be a social reason. Like, you feel like you're contributing to a social cause if you recycle. So I would ask this student to come up with some other motivation, such as social status or social belonging. You feel like you're part of a social group that's doing something good to the world. That would be a real benefit of recycling, is the social benefit. This one, you can keep it in your model, and of course, if you have a model of everybody's choice about how much to recycle, having it in there might be useful. But if you're actually figuring out people's incentive to recycle, most people are aware that their personal decision whether or not to throw away that plastic bottle or send it to the recycling center is not going to actually change the environment that much. And this is similar actually with voting. Your choice of how much effort to put into voting, which decides how much you vote, that's not going to have a huge impact on the election. The elasticity of probability that your candidate will win with respect to your vote is very, very small. So you need to have some other benefit that's driving people's behavior in that case. And with both of these, I have another video that looks at this drop in the bucket problem, so I'll post those below. But the mistake here is that you need to make sure that every benefit and cost is actually something that responds to the choice.